Hello folks, Gino here with American Motorcycle Trading Company in Arlington, Texas. Today I've got a really nice 2014 Harley Davidson Street Glide I want to show you. 2014 Street Glide comes with a 103 motor and 6-speed transmission. This one's been upgraded with an engine guard here on the front. Nice shape. Got a good tire on the front. It's got the through the fairing vent. Gives you a little extra airflow. Just opens and closes right there with that little button. Full instrumentation. Got a 3.5-inch touch screen. AM/FM stereo. Got a little compartment here for your MP3 player, iPod or iPhone. It's got electronic cruise control. Shows your radio and your station there, presets. Let's see. 62 degrees out here today. Sales guy can tell you all about the touch screen, how that works. It's got anti-lock brakes on it. 6-gallon tank. 2014's also got the single-handed lid latch here. Makes it really easy to get in and out of the bags. This one's had the docking hardware installed for a backrest and luggage rack. It's got the factory exhaust on it. Rear tire looks good. So many miles we got on it. Bike's got 16,909 miles. Pops right off. We ran it through our shop and checked it out. Service, safety checked and inspected. She's ready to ride. 2014 qualifies for some excellent financing and extended warranty options. If you wanted a little more volume on that exhaust, we have a parts and full service department. We could put those on there for you. Good slip-on mufflers maybe, or complete exhaust. She runs good. See if I can see any kind of marks I need to show you on it. It might be that was a little bug came off. Might be a tiny little rock peck right up here. Front of the tank looks good. Sometimes you get a little rock pecks up on the front of the tank, just kicking little pebbles up off the road. And sometimes you get some on front of the bags, but these look good. The top of the bag lids look real good. Yeah, this is a beauty. If you'd like to know more about it, call our sales team toll free at 888-400-1151. They can tell you all about it. Go online and see our complete inventory at cleanharleys.com. We take almost anything in on trade. And we sell and ship bikes all over the world, so it'd be easy to get this Street Glide to you. This is Gino with American Motorcycle Trading Company in Arlington, Texas. Thanks for looking.